Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ProLaw document automation step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the ProLaw software installed on your computer. Next, launch ProLaw and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Tools menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Document Automation. In the Document Automation window, click on the Install button. You will be prompted to select the installation location. Choose a directory where you want the document automation files to be stored. Click Next to proceed with the installation. The software will begin the installation process, which may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, a confirmation, click Finish to close the installer. Now, return to the ProLaw interface. Go back to the Tools menu and select Document Automation again. You should see a list of available templates ready for use. To create a new document template, click on the New Template button. Fill in the necessary fields, including template name and description. Use the editor to customize your template as needed. Once your template is complete, click Save. Your new template will now appear in the list of available documents. To test the automation, click on the template you just created and select Generate Document. Fill in the required fields when prompted. Review the generated document for accuracy and completeness. If everything looks good, you are ready to start using ProLaw document automation. For any additional features, check the Help section in the software. This completes the installation and setup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.